Hey YouTube, Ralph here again. I've doing a video on this one about the contributor who donated quite a few items to the garage. His name was Mike. He basically, I looked on Freegle and he said, "Do you like a computer?" I says, "Yeah, okay, I'll have one." Day before I liked it, he says, "Oh, I've got another one I've dug out for you. If you want that one." Okay, fine, I'll take two, no problem. Then got there, he gave me an Acer Aspire, Dell Dimension 9200, a Canon Professional Workstation AP400, a eMachine 740. So basically, 4 PCs, all in working order, all perfectly fine. He then said, "Do you want a laptop?" "Ah, go on then." He brought this thing out. Not expecting too much. Freegle power supply, Windows 2000, booklet with it. Couple of pens. And obviously all these so far will be going on contribution video, strip down video hopefully. This is the Toshiba Satellite 4030 CDT. Very nice move on the keyboard. I've tried this one already. The monitor doesn't work, but I think that's fixable. I think it's a backlight issue, so it might be fixable. So I said, "Oh, you've got one." Okay, fine. I'll take another laptop. Again, these were all works laptops that he's collected over the years. The Toshiba Satellite Pro. Because again, I don't think on the 3 of these the monitors actually work, but Wi-Fi button, DVD ROM on this one. It's getting newer. Oh, Blu-ray, obviously. I'm not expecting that. That's just ridiculous. Well, media player buttons over here, quite good. Third one, here in the back. As well as all the hard drives and cables and all sorts of gubbins that came with it. My good lord, I haven't got. Oh, I don't think I've got much that goes on that. There's the original Dell power supply. The bag contains a modem, 33.6, 14.4 kilobytes. That's just ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. XP network? I'll have to look into that. Yes. That's obviously a network card for a laptop. A Dell CD, possible DVD. Don't know. Let's have a look. Yeah. CD module. Fine. I'm gonna have to pour out the rest. Bloody hell, PC card LAN cable. Okay. Interesting. Here again. Dell Latitude CPI. This one, open. Again, the quality on these is just ridiculous. Nothing's charged up. I'll have to give it a good clean out first. Pentium, look. Pentium 2. It's 95. I am so gonna look forward to playing with this. It's ridiculous the crap the old systems were, but I'm gonna love playing it again. Absolutely love it. But yeah, that's the Mike's contribution video. Big thanks to him, and thank you very much for watching. Anybody new with all these computers will be individually done on a video. hopefully not too far future. But if you could like, subscribe, share, comment, maybe donate to Patreon, that would be brilliant. Thank you very much for watching.